It's like a chinchilla.
Hi, little buddy. Yeah. Oh. You're so cute and fluffy. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Your tail is bigger than your body. There, little one.
Jello? No, more like something non-foodable. It's like water. And then I can go back to sleep and get my wisdom teeth out. So this should be fun. Oh,
And now everyone,
fun story.
now everyone knows the story of how you're gonna get your tonsils taken out.
And wisdom teeth.
Hello, vlog world.
Ha!
I should be famous, so make me famous.
I'm already famous, but I'm an author now.
Well, you could.
Oh, I'm gonna be an author soon too. I just have to find.
It's here to beat you to it.
Ooh. Do you want a cookie?
My poems aren't even published.
I didn't know that.
I put it on Facebook.
I didn't see it.
Why didn't you see it? It was beautifully written.
Because I didn't see it.
Yeah, I have one poem that's getting published, and then I submitted 2 other ones.
What poems?
Poem.
Is it the ones you did
Just
poetry
poems.
reading?
They're just
Yeah,
poems.
but there's only one that they like. There they are, in front of us.
Wait, ready?
We're stopping you people.
Who are those beautiful little creatures? How do I get one? I want a beautiful bitch.
You left us. You left us.
I can never.
She left us. She left us.
Do you realize how hard it is to walk like this? I feel like I'm
You guys are gonna hurt yourself. Really? I'm not taking you again. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. I'll never let go. Hi everyone. So it is 6:04 right now, and I didn't really start the video. I kind of just started filming. I didn't really talk. But today is October 25th. October 25th. I can't remember what date it is. And it's Wednesday, of course. It's 6:05, and I am getting ready to leave my house to go to worship team practice. So that's what I am doing right now. So I will talk to you guys later. Now it's right side up.
You missed your cue.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know I was. I don't know. I need the lyrics.
Man, she's demanding.
I don't have this thing memorized. What do you play?
Kingdom Rush.
Oh. Do you have anything to say, Sarah? And he says I'm the high schooler.
Why? Can he play a video game?
He's the one that brought up the batteries. Final words to say, Sarah? Do you have any final words?
Final words for what?
Turn around. Any final words? No?
What? Where did it go? Wait for it to load. Or you will crash the program! Phone. What'd you do, Dean?
I don't know what happened.